Alright guys, we got a bunch of stuff done on the Firebird. As you can see, wing on, chute mount, it's all on. So wings all bolted up. All the carbon interior is now finished. Doors on, still a little dust where doors where we fitted the windows. Windows are all fitted in, they're all bolted in. Dash is all in. So windshield and stuff's in. So both seats, you know, 2 seats. Everything up front's now finished. So I'm getting ready to mount the fuel tank. Got the cover for it we made right here. It goes up here and mounts on. So we got both doors done. All the windows done. So another view from the dash from this side. So like I said, wings all on. Wheels and tires are mounted. Here's the puke tank. It's powder coated. Everything on it's ready to go, so we're gonna put it back in. We'll get the chutes mounted and stuff, and this thing's about ready to knock out. So this car will be for sale. Probably within a week I'll have it on the internet. And it's set up for right now for a big block Chevy with twin turbos for alcohol, power glide, and a 400. You can run both. Rear is fabricated 9-inch, Strange Ultra case, 40 spline gun drilled axles, 25.3 chassis. So we just finished the chassis up. It's got minskers in the back, Strange brakes all around. You know, the V series spindle mounts up front, all racecraft front suspension, limiters, rack, you know, manual rack obviously, everything. So it's got VFN doors, front end, deck lid, so, or hatch I guess we could say. It's all fiberglass. The bumper's still like the original rear bumper. Lexan windows. So all that's like I said, the car should be pretty light, should be ready to roll. Drop a motor transmission in it, and should be good to go. So definitely, if anybody's interested, look us up. ChickenHawk Motorsports on Facebook. Send us a message. We'll be happy to let you know. Send you some more pictures. When we get it completely done and all cleaned up, I'm gonna do a real in-depth go through and show everything that's on the car. So alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share this around. We're trying to grow our channel. We do a lot of things at the shop, so if there's anything you all want to see, welding, how to fabricate, how to notch tubes, how to bend tubes, you know, anything like that, just comment it, let us know, send us a message. We'll be happy to show. We want to do some videos, how-to videos, but we're not real sure on what everybody wants to see. So if y'all would tell us what you want, we'll do it. It's not that hard. We can make a video probably every couple days if people would tell us what they want to see. Because about every day we're welding something, notching something, bending something. Especially when we're real busy doing turbo stuff. We've been really busy on this Firebird trying to knock it out. So as soon as it gets knocked out, we have one engine to finish building. It's a 5.7 we're stroking to a 426. It's a Hemi single turbo car. All the pieces are here. All the machine work's done. So it just got to go together. So we'll have a video on it for long. And then we've got this black Mustang right here, which we're doing an 03 Cobra wiring harness swap onto it. So the car's had a bunch of electrical issues, and it's had crazy amounts of spliced wires and stuff. So we're getting rid of all that junk, putting an 03 Cobra harness, everything on it, coil packs. So that'll definitely help it out a bunch. And then we have this white Challenger that we just done a video on not long ago, having some fuel pressure, fuel pump issues. So we're gonna go through it, try to get all that figured out. We actually ran a compression check on it, and it's got a couple of cylinders I don't like what they're pumping, so it's not a big huge deal to take the heads off these cars. in the car. So I'm gonna jerk the heads off of it, just look at everything, make sure nothing stupid's going on. So yeah, definitely stick around, share this, turn that post notifications on, and just try to help us grow. You know, that's what we're here for. We're here to help everybody out and teach y'all stuff, and hopefully give y'all some stuff you can enjoy watching. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll try to get a video uploaded at least once a week. I'd love to do it more, but it's really hard, you know. Filming everything we do, we're so busy right now. I mean, I don't know, but the shop's full. You know, we've got 2 cars back here. One we got finished turbo kit up, one we're finished chassis on. Kids Junior dragster. The wiring harness deal. We're putting a complete 25.3 cage in this twin turbo kit built motor. This is Craig's car though, so it's gonna have all kinds of stuff done to it. Here's this Challenger we're building the motor for with single turbo setup, so we're gonna get it finished. Obviously the Firebird, and then the white Challenger back there. So ton of stuff going on in the shop. So we do forget to film, or I do, and Craig tries to help some film, but we forget a bunch of stuff. And usually we get halfway done with something like, well, heck, we forgot to film. So I don't want to start a video right in the middle of having a short block halfway put together. So yeah, guys, make sure to tell us what you want to see, and we'll try to do it. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next episode.